Hi everyone, welcome on back to my channel. So today I decided to try a ponytail style, and I'm just gonna start to gather all my locks up and put them into a ponytail. So now I'm gonna start to try to put these locks into a bun as flat as I can. I'm just gonna start by separating it and twisting each side and trying to pin it down. So to help me with all the locks that are sticking out, I decided to use a hairnet to help gather all the locks together so I can contain it into this bun. So here's the hair that I will be using, and I'm just gonna add this hair tie to the bunch of locks, and it already came on this gold little string here, so I'm just gonna add this black hair tie. I'm just gonna put it through and then loop one side through the other side. That way I can attach it to my bun. Now it did come with 2 bundles of locks. I'm just gonna add this bunch on the same way. That way I can just easily just add it on to my bun. You could easily probably just take off the gold string and put your own string so you can loop all the locks together at one time, but I just decided to go ahead and try to do it this way. So once you have the locks attached, you're just going to spread it over your bun as tightly as I could. I started twisting locks down the shaft of the locks, and as I'm twisting, I'm also twisting each individual bunch of locks, if that makes sense. You know, like when you do 2-strand twists. So I'm twisting the hair down, and then each bunch of locks I'm also twisting as I twist them both together. So at the bottom of the twist, I decided to braid it to lock it into place. And then I secured it with a rubber band. So I did not cover my bun completely. To be honest, I probably could have used another pack of the locks, but I only had 2, so I had to do the best I can to try to cover my bun. Which, if your hair is similar or, you know, the same color, I feel like you can kind of get away with some of it peeking through. But I was trying to cover the gold string, which at this point I was thinking I probably should have switched it out for a black one. But anyway, I just decided to try to cover it as much as I could with the locks and pin them into place to try to camouflage my bun. So here is the final look, and I thought it came out pretty cute. It's kind of reminding me of one of those bubble ponytails. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.